Lesson 1, saying hello and goodbye.
Objective. Students will learn how to greet people and say goodbye in different situations, both formally and informally.
Key vocabulary. 1. Hello. 2. Hi. 3. Good morning. 4. Good afternoon. 5. Good evening. 6. Goodbye. 7. Bye. 8. See you later. 9. Take care. 10. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 1. Formal greeting. Situation. 2 colleagues meet at work.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Have a great day at work.
You too.
Dialogue 2. Informal greeting. Situation. 2 friends meet at a café.
Hey, John, how's it going?
Hi, Lisa. I'm good. What about you?
I'm great, thanks. Want to grab a coffee?
Sure, let's go. Dialogue 3. Saying goodbye. Situation. 2 classmates leave school. See you later, Emma.
Bye, Jake. Have a nice evening.
You too. Take care.
Thank you for watching my video.